It's another YouTube video for the books, guys. Today I'm going to be using this laser hair removal device that I was sent. It is my first time using it, but I just wanted to show you how nice this laser is. Top quality luxury. This was sent to me by DERMRAYS, and this particular laser is meant for dark hair, dark skin. They have a different laser for lighter hair, lighter skin. I don't know why that makes a difference as long as it's safe to use on my skin. I'm loving this super soft travel bag, and it's really easy. Like, the assembly is easy to set up. This plug, obviously you plug it into the wall, and then you plug that part into this gorgeous, sleek adapter. I've never seen a gorgeous adapter, or I didn't know that was possible. And here is the gorgeous laser. It's very simple, sleek. It's very nice. There's not, 1,000 different buttons, and it's not complicated. It's heavy, so it's good quality, and there's that one power button, and that's all you need to operate this entire laser. They have the light indicators on the side, and I just want to show you the box because damn, the box is even nice. I'm telling you, top quality, top-notch product. Now let's go laser remove this hair from my body. Okay, so upon reading the manual and this instruction list, I had to change areas because it's a little bit deeper than I thought it was going to be. Like, this is a whole thing. Like, this is a laser still. Can't look directly into the laser. If you have pets, like I had my cat sitting behind me, and I'm like, I can't be trying to do this for the first time all willy-nilly and affect him somehow. So I was like, let me move directions because this is a little bit more of a thing than I thought it was going to be. Also, because the brand sent me the product to try it and tell you guys about it, I looked up the pricing. This is over a $500, almost $600 laser. But actually, as I think about it in editing, it's probably cheaper to buy this laser than to actually go get it done. That's why it's so nice. Damn. I mean, top quality, top notch. Like, this is no rinky dink $50 laser, $30 laser. This is gonna make some stuff happen, I think. So first we're gonna start with the instructions for usage. I will put it right here in editing, and you can go ahead and read it for yourself. But it's pretty much telling you like where you can use it, where not to use it. Like, don't use it around your eyes, don't put it around your eyelashes or trying to get your brows under here. Don't use it on your nipples. Don't use it around your genitals, or you see it. So here's the other thing. This is not going to be a one-time treatment and everything is done. You have to use this device over time for you to see results. So frequency of treatment. This device should be used 3 times a week for the first 2 weeks. The following 2 to 3 weeks, use the device twice per week. After 5 weeks, use the device once a month. Then we're going to turn over on the back. So basically, the first thing you have to do is prepare your skin. Make sure cleansed, shaved, towel dried for the most effective treatment. By the way, I did not put any lotion or deodorant on, no oils. I didn't put anything because I felt like that was the best thing to do. I'm actually gonna go ahead and get started because I read all the instructions already. I'm just gonna hop to it so we can get to the point. This is my first treatment, and basically what I'm gonna do is turn it on, then turn the setting on. I'm gonna use, there's different levels. I think there's 1 to 3 levels, so I'm gonna start with the first level because it's my first time. And also, if the laser is not up against the skin for more than 10 seconds, it just goes into standby mode, which is good. And then all you have to do is restart your treatment by double clicking the power button to unlock the device. It's on, children. That's the laser indicating that I'm on. Select the proper treatment level by pressing the power button once. Level 1 is recommended for first time using. Okay. Press the treatment window firmly against the skin. Move the device slowly, following each individual flash of the laser across the desired treatment area. I didn't read that right. I read that like I couldn't read. Move the device slowly, following each individual flash of the laser across the desired treatment area. I'm getting a little nervous. The indicator light flashes yellow, and there is no need to click any buttons during treatment. Holy shit, here we go. I don't know if anything's happening. Indicator light is not flashing yellow. Let's start all over. Select the proper treatment. Oh, I didn't unlock the device. Double click the power button to unlock the device. the indicator light turns green and the device is ready in ready mode. Please do not aim at the eyes. Okay, double click. I didn't unlock it. It's green. See, it's green. It's hard to tell with the light. Okay, here we go. Okay. It's a little warm. Woo. Woo. I'm doing it. All right. So it was a little warm, like yeah, it was nothing like when you go to the place to get it done. It was a lot better. Just uncomfortable because it was my first time doing it and it kept making the sounds and it felt the warmness come out and it starts to like make me I don't know, it starts to make me feel away. So I did one pass. I don't think you have to do two. So I'm just gonna leave that one and then I'm gonna do the other one on this side. I'm sweating now because I'm nervous. Okay, now we got the first pass down. I feel a little bit more comfortable. Okay, so let's do it for my other underarm. Let's go. Press for 2 seconds. Light turns on. Standby. Pick a level. 1 click. Double click to let her rip. Here we go. This is a little less. Ooh. Maybe because I know what to expect. Yeah, now it's just warm with a little tingle, like it doesn't feel. Okay, I think that's good. Here's what I'm looking like. This side was way better, maybe because I knew what to expect, so it was just warm. What a freaking rush that was. That was such an adventure, especially to do it. I'm tired. I'm so tired. No redness, no nothing like that. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't feel like I did anything. I think I can go ahead and put deodorant, lotion and deodorant and stuff on to go about my day. Overall, my experience was exciting and great. It worked out even better than I thought it was gonna work out. And then once we got going, it was like, okay, yeah, it hurts a little bit, like it tingles a little bit. It's kind of hot and I started to get nervous because I'm like, is it getting hotter? Is it getting like, is it doing more? So I'm gonna do my best to do this treatment for 5 weeks. I'm gonna try to find the time to do it. Even though it's not like a messy process or a long process, it really went by fast. So the first 2 weeks, I'm gonna use it 3 times a week. The next 3 weeks, I'm gonna use it twice a week. After those 5 weeks, you just use once a month. That's gonna be way easier to maintain. But I will be doing updates because I really feel like this is an amazing laser. The process is interesting and it should be documented for your viewing pleasures. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Maybe I should put some lotion on now. Yep, I feel okay. Soothing. Uh-oh. I just felt a little like tingle, lightweight. I was like, wait a minute. Should I put deodorant on now? So far, so great. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.